The remainder, as the name suggests, is the amount that remains or is left over when our computation does not result in an exact division. Let's compare division operations without and with a remainder. Let's divide 9 by 3. So we can see here that we can exactly divide 9 by 3, meaning there are 3 exact portions of 9 after division. It also means that within each section, it contains an exact amount. So the answer to 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now let's try to divide 10 by 3. We can solve this by dividing 10 blocks into sections containing exactly 3 blocks each. Now notice that when we do that, it results in 1 block remaining. 1, 2, and 3, but we have a remainder of 1. You're also going to notice this when we subtract 3 repeatedly from 10. So we have 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. If we subtract 3 again from 7, we get 4. And if we subtract 3 again from 4, we get 1. And we can no longer subtract 3 from 1. So we were able to do this 3 times with a remainder of 1. So the answer to 10 divided by 3 is 3 remainder of 1. Now let's see a more realistic scenario of remainders in division. Say we want to put chocolate chips on top of each cupcake that we bake. And you have a total of 17 chocolate chips and 5 cupcakes. How many chocolate chips can we put on each of our cupcakes? So this can be solved by division and can be represented by 17 divided by 5. So to know the answer to this, we can distribute our chocolate chips among our 5 cupcakes. So let's draw black circles to represent our chocolate chips. And what we're going to do is we are going to evenly distribute our chocolate chips evenly across our 5 cupcakes. So now we have 15 chocolate chips in our 5 cupcakes, but we still have 2 chocolate chips remaining, and we won't be able to exactly distribute these 2 remaining chocolate chips to our 5 cupcakes. So the answer to the question, how many chocolate chips can we put on 5 cupcakes if we had 17 chocolate chips, is 3 chocolate chips per cupcake with 2 remaining chips, or 3 with a remainder of 2, which means 3 chocolate chips per cupcake with a remainder of 2 chocolate chips. Let's try another example so we can really understand what remainders are. Let's try 50 divided by 11. So what we have here is a rectangle with 50 blocks in it. So to visually solve this division problem, what we're going to do is we are going to group the blocks wherein each group has 11 blocks in it, and we are going to be representing this with a different color for each group. So after creating 4 divisions with exactly 11 blocks per division or per group, we could see that we can no longer create another section with 11 blocks in it because we only have 6 blocks left. These 6 blocks are what's called remainders. So from this picture, we would know that the answer to 50 divided by 11 is 4 with a remainder of 6. Did this video help you? Subscribe to us or follow us so you will be the first to know whenever we upload math help tutorial videos just for you. Here are some videos and playlists you might want to watch. Keep on learning.